Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a coach watching this, let me ask you something right off the bat. Have you ever felt like you're spinning your wheels, putting in endless hours creating content, networking, and refining your offers, only to see your client list stay flat and your bank account even flatter? Maybe you've bought every course under the sun, invested in fancy software, and even hired a mentor, but your coaching business still feels like it's on life support. Sound familiar? Well, stick around because today I'm pulling back the curtain on the real reasons your coaching business is failing, and it's not what you think. We're talking about a game-changing shift that could 10x your results. Let's dive in. First off, let's set the stage. The coaching industry is booming, projected to hit over $20 billion by 2026, with millions of people seeking guidance on everything from career pivots to personal development. But here's the harsh truth. Most coaches never make it past the $50K mark annually. Why? It's not because they lack talent or passion. You've got the skills, you've got the drive. The problem runs deeper, rooted in something I call the identity gap, the disconnect between who you are right now and the powerhouse coach you need to become to thrive. Think about it. You started this business to make an impact, to change lives, but somewhere along the way, doubts creep in. You question if you're good enough, if your niche is too crowded, or if people will actually pay for your expertise. This gap isn't just a mindset issue, it's a full system breakdown affecting every part of your operation. Over the next few minutes, I'll break down the key culprits and show you how to bridge that gap for good. Now, let's build this out. The first big reason your business is tanking: weak foundational beliefs. Deep down, do you truly believe you're the go-to expert in your field? If there's even a sliver of doubt, your audience feels it. People buy from coaches who exude unshakable conviction. Without it, your marketing falls flat. No one signs up for your program because they sense you're not fully sold on it yourself. I see this all the time. Coaches who hedge their language, saying things like, "I think this might help," instead of "this will transform your life." That hesitation stems from unexamined beliefs formed from past failures, like a launch that bombed or a client who ghosted. To fix this, start with a belief audit. Write down 10 reasons why you're uniquely qualified. Maybe it's your 10 years in corporate before pivoting, or the personal rock bottom you overcame. Reinforce these daily until they become your core truth. When your beliefs solidify, everything else aligns, your energy shifts, and clients start flowing in. Moving deeper, let's talk about your thoughts and stories, the narratives running on loop in your head. These are sneaky saboteurs. You wake up pumped, ready to crush a sales call, but then you check your inbox: crickets, no new leads, social media, a handful of likes, no comments. Suddenly, the story kicks in: no one's interested. "I'm not cut out for this." These thoughts erode your momentum, leading to inconsistency. One week you're posting daily videos, the next you're ghosting your own audience because what's the point? This roller coaster kills trust. Potential clients see your sporadic presence and assume you're unreliable. The fix: reframe those stories. Use journaling to catch negative patterns and flip them. Instead of "no one's buying," try "every post plants a seed." Consistency wins. Pair this with a thought tracker app to monitor and redirect. Over time, these rewired stories fuel steady action, turning sporadic efforts into a reliable content machine that attracts raving fans. As we ramp up, consider your mindset. It's hyped everywhere, but alone, it's worthless without the right foundation. You've probably done the affirmations, "I'm a six-figure coach," but if you're still broke and invisible, mindset isn't the hero, it's part of the ensemble. A strong mindset helps you bounce back from setbacks, like a bad webinar or refund request, but it crumbles if beliefs and thoughts aren't solid. Many coaches get stuck here, feeling motivated but paralyzed, scrolling success stories instead of creating their own. To level up, blend mindset with practical resilience training. Try exposure therapy. Do one scary thing daily, like cold DMing a dream client or going live unscripted. This builds mental toughness, turning "I can't" into "watch me." With a fortified mindset, you'll push through the discomfort that stops 97% of coaches from finishing what they start. Now, the tension builds with habits and actions, where the rubber meets the road. Habits are your business's engine. Bad ones stall it out. Think about it. Do you have a daily routine for outreach, content creation, and follow-ups? Or do you wing it, leading to self-esteem buying tools and courses that gather digital dust? Inconsistent actions breed inconsistent results. You might start strong, emailing your list weekly, but life hits a sick kid, a tech glitch, and poof, 3 weeks go by without a peep. Clients notice, competitors swoop in. The rising frustration, you're capable, but execution fails. Shift this by habit stacking. Link new routines to existing ones, like brainstorming content ideas right after your morning coffee. Use apps like Habitica to gamify it. Actions follow. Commit to bold moves like hosting a free challenge or partnering with influencers. Consistency here creates compounding. One video leads to a subscriber who becomes a client who refers more. But ignore it, and your business stays in neutral. Pride and ego often villainized, but they are your secret weapons. Ego isn't arrogance, it's protective pride in your identity. When you show up as a great coach, you defend that role fiercely, like you would for being a good parent. Without it, fear wins. You avoid sharing vulnerable stories, fearing judgment, or skip promoting your offer, worried it'll seem salesy. This chip on the shoulder shrinks your confidence, widening the identity gap. The build-up, a negative cycle where doubts feed inaction, killing growth. Break it by embracing ego as armor. Celebrate wins publicly. Use pride to fuel bold decisions. Protect your identity like it's sacred, because it is. Here's the peak, the moment everything clicks. The true killer of your coaching business isn't external market saturation, algorithms, or economy. It's the identity gap itself. Close it and watch the transformation. When beliefs, thoughts, mindset, habits, actions, and ego align in that perfect overlap, like a Venn diagram of success, consistency becomes effortless. You'll operate from abundance, attracting high-ticket clients who value your vibe. I've seen coaches go from scraping by to scaling to 6 figures by mastering this. The climax, realizing you already have everything needed. It's about dialing in your ideal self. No more imposter syndrome, just pure, unstoppable momentum. So, what's next? If this resonated, don't let it be another inspiring video that changes nothing. Take action today. Grab a notebook, map your identity elements, and identify one gap to close this week. For more, subscribe now. I'll send you a free identity audit worksheet in the comments. If you're ready to accelerate, join my Shift Masterclass at link in description. Spots fill fast, and it's transforming coaches just like you. Comment your biggest takeaway below and let's connect. Remember, your business isn't failing, it's waiting for you to step up. Make the shift. Your future clients are counting on it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.